Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this roasted red pepper dip, and I got this recipe from my friend Hillary, who I went to culinary school with. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you how to make it. So to start off with this recipe, I'm going to take a baking sheet and I'm going to line it with some tin foil. And I'm going to place my peppers on it. I'm using a mixture of red peppers, orange peppers, and yellow peppers. But if you're doing this recipe, just use regular big bell peppers and just use 2 to 3 of them. It will be a lot easier in the long run, trust me. And then I'm just going to give them a quick coat of olive oil, and I'm just going to place those in the oven on broil. Let those bake for about 5 minutes and then give them a quick turn about halfway through. You want the outsides of it to be charred on both sides. Once they're done, you want to set them aside for 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to allow them to cool, and it's going to make them a lot easier to peel. It took me so long to peel these peppers. This is why I suggested using 2 to 3 big peppers. Do not do what I did here, or else it will take forever. Also, to make the peeling process easier, you can keep a bowl of water nearby to rinse the peppers off, to rinse your hands off. It just makes the whole process a lot faster. And you want to get rid of all the seeds and all the stems, because it will result in a really bitter flavor later on. So now that we're done peeling them, I'm going to move over to my food processor. I'm going to add my peppers to it, as well as some ground black pepper, some garlic, some olive oil, and some feta cheese. And you want to use about a 1/4 cup of feta cheese, depending on how much you're making. And I'm just going to crumble it in there. It's just going to make it a lot easier to blend. So start by pulsing your food processor, and then you can also use a spoon or a knife to mix it throughout the process. And if it's not blending too well, just add a little more olive oil. So I left this sauce a little more on the thick, chunkier side, but you can make this a lot smoother if you prefer. And if you don't have a food processor, you can also do this in a blender. But with that, guys, we are done this recipe. This sauce goes really great on sandwiches, on pitas, or as just like a dip with chips. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Make sure to comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And thank you, Hillary, again for this recipe. And until next time, guys, bye!